Okay, application of Wheatstone bridge is meter bridge, and we will understand about that how a meter bridge work. So the principle, it is based on the principle at Wheatstone bridge, and the bridge is said to be balanced when potential difference across the galvanometer is 0, and in balanced condition P upon Q equal to R upon S. So let us draw a potentiometer, not potentiometer, actually meter bridge. Now in this meter bridge, this is a 1 meter long wire. Okay, and this wire is of magnet wire we know, of uniform cross sectional area, and it is having high resistivity, okay, and low temperature coefficient. Now from these two ends a resistance box is connected, and this is name given R. This is a unknown resistance connected, name given S. Okay, now from this connection we connect a galvanometer which is with the help of jockey connect to the wire, and this wire is connected with a battery. The length of this point, this is taken as L, and this is 100 minus L. Okay, now if we see carefully this, here are 4 resistances. One resistance is this, other resistance is this, one resistance is this, and the other resistance is this. Okay, this is also a wire of high resistivity. So where the galvanometer will show no deflection, suppose this is the point where galvanometer will show no deflection, in that condition this is the length L and this one is length 100 minus L. So in balance condition we know P upon Q equal to R upon S, and resistance directly proportional to length of wire if cross sectional area is same and resistivity also same. We know the formula R equal to rho L upon E. So A and rho, they are same, so R proportional to L. So now when galvanometer will show no deflection, then in that condition this is taken as P and this one is Q. So P upon Q equal to R upon S, okay, resistance of P upon Q equal to R upon S, and P upon Q also be equal to resistance of AB, we are taking here this A, B and C, and resistance of BC, that is equal to L upon 100 minus L. So we can write here from first equation and from second equation R upon S equal to L upon 100 minus L, or S is unknown, so S equal to 100 minus L upon L into R. Okay, this is the way to find the unknown resistance, and if we find out resistivity also, so we know the formula, that is rho equal to this resistance S into A upon L, S into pi R square upon L.